Hello, my name is Brennan and I am the McGraw-Hill consultant for Riverside City College. The health science faculty and my team collaborated to come up with your course materials for the current semester. And today we'll be briefing you on Connect and SmartBook, where you will be going to access a portion of your assignments for the term. We'll talk about registration, some best practices for running the program, the specific resources that are available to you, in particular SmartBook, your purchasing options, and we'll end on technical support. For the smoothest experience in Connect, I recommend using one of these three major web browsers, Firefox or Chrome if you have a PC at home. If you have a Mac, Safari works fine. We do ask that you refrain from using Internet Explorer when accessing Connect. Much like an application for your smartphone, Internet Explorer updates a little too quickly for McGraw-Hill, and it can create for a bit of an unuser-friendly experience. We also ask that you regularly clear your web history or your cookies on your internet browser. Like any other web-based application, Connect can get bogged down if there's too much space being taken up through your internet browser. Your required materials for this course are going to be Your Health Today, 5th edition by Teague. Your instructor has created a discounted Riverside City College edition of the book, which will include both your print text as well as the Connect access code. This is designed to be your one-stop shop that's available to you in the RCC bookstore. Please note that the image you see on the left and the image on the right are the very same book. The image on the right contains the Connect access code and is customized for RCC. The image on the left is what you call the national version of this text. It's available for purchase both online and anywhere else. However, it is not guaranteed to contain a Connect code, which will be required for the course. Okay, registration in Connect is pretty straightforward. Just log into your Blackboard account and locate HES1. On the left-hand side in the menu, you will see a folder that will contain your Connect assignments. Please click on that folder, and you'll see a list of icons similar to these. Click on any one of those icons for the purposes of registration, because you will be brought to the same welcome screen for Connect. Go ahead and click Continue. Next, you will be asked to enter an email address. We do ask that you use your RCC student email when registering for Connect and click Submit. And then you will be brought to this screen. This is where your options play out. I mentioned the bookstore earlier. If you purchase your materials in the campus bookstore, you already have your Connect access code as well as the black and white print text. You can enter that access code here and click Submit, and off you go. Maybe you are on financial aid and waiting for your money to post. Maybe your work schedule is a bit up in the air for the semester and you're not sure if you're going to stick with the course. McGraw-Hill will provide you with 2 weeks of courtesy access to Connect. You'll have full access to the textbook, your assignments, everything, and then at the end of those 2 weeks you need to upgrade or purchase a code in some form or another. Your third option is just to buy the code itself directly from McGraw-Hill. It is $75. Just enter your credit card and off you go. This is an all-digital option by buying online. And everyone will create an account in Connect. First name, last name, security question, password, and you're all set. For those of you that did purchase the Connect code directly from McGraw-Hill, you actually will get the option to purchase an additional loose leaf print copy of the text for $15. That's $15. The text will be mailed directly to your home, and there's no tax and no markup. As mentioned before, this course is accessible through Blackboard, so we do ask that you stay in Blackboard to access all of your coursework. Okay, SmartBook is a study tool. It was designed with similar technology that you may experience with either Amazon or Netflix, where you, the user, the student in this case, have a personal profile with the program. So the way SmartBook works is it highlights what you need to read, study, and learn, and it ensures that every minute you spend with SmartBook is the most high-impact minute you can experience as you read and as you study. And it is powered by LearnSmart. So what does that all mean? Well, as you read, SmartBook is going to be asking you questions centered on the learning objectives for that chapter. You'll note the question. You have an answer set here. This is multiple choice. Some might be fill in the blank, some might be true or false. However, SmartBook is going to ask you to assign a cognitive value to your answer. This is how SmartBook is going to create a profile for each student individually, and is now going to be recirculating the questions that maybe you need a little more focus in on so that, much like a flashcard, when you see it again, this information is most likely to move from your short-term memory and into your long-term memory. Next, SmartBook will now be highlighting the corresponding passage in the embedded e-text. This is your digital textbook here, so when you are opening a page of the book, you are actually looking at a reflection of your understanding. Note this passage up here is highlighted in green. This passage is grayed out. This here is in yellow. Green means go. You have demonstrated an understanding of this concept. You are confident in your answers and you are correct. We need to move you on to the parts that are highlighted in yellow. You have not demonstrated much confidence and or correctness in your response, and we need to focus you in. Yellow means slow down, stop, read here a little more, answer a few more questions until we build more into that foundation of this content. We're getting a lot of great feedback on this program, and we hope you do too. My final slide is on tech support. In the event you experience any issues at all with Connect or SmartBook, it's very important. Your instructor is not tech support for any of this. If you experience an issue, I've given you a couple of troubleshooting measures already between the web browser and the deletion of your web history. If you're still experiencing trouble, please give our tech support people a call at 800-331-5094. In the event the customer care agent is not able to assist you on the spot, it's very important that you write down the case number that they will provide to you. You will want to bring this case number to your professor's attention so they can contact my team and we can come up with a solution for you. Best of luck to each of you in health science, and take care.